Dive into the world of California's building standards, known as Title 24. From fire safety regulations in the California Fire Code to energy conservation standards in the California Energy Code, Title 24 has it all. Does Title 24 apply to residential? Well, to decrease energy consumption, California adopted an energy code, Title 24, for residential buildings. This new policy significantly modifies lighting needs in new and remodeled homes. All new and remodeled homes in California must incorporate energy-efficient lighting and controls. Automatic control devices, on the other hand, are all about smart energy usage. They automatically turn off lights when they're not needed, like during daylight hours or when a room is unoccupied. This is achieved using photosensors, occupancy sensors, or a combination of both. In California, Title 24 is triggered whenever a building permit is pulled. So, if you pulled a permit, you need your plans reviewed or building inspected. All new construction projects require compliance with Title 24, as do new additions. To wrap up, Title 24 is all about promoting safety, sustainability, and energy conservation in the world of construction. So the next time you flick a switch, remember the stringent standards that make it possible.